How to fix battery drain after Android update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your phone's battery drained faster after an Android update, don't worry, here are some of the quick fixes that you can apply. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is restart your phone. A simple restart can fix post-update battery glitches. Long press on your power button. You'll get this power menu on your screen. Tap on the restart icon and your phone will be restarted. Then you can check for app updates. Outdated apps can drain your battery after an update, so update all apps on Play Store. For that, go over to Play Store, tap on the profile icon at the top right, and then here you can find Manage Apps and Device. Then you can find updates available, and if there are any pending updates, you just tap on Update All and you should be good to go. Then you can review your battery uses. For that, go over to Settings, and then find battery. Once you've opened up battery, you can find your apps that are using too much power. So you'll see a chart or a graph. You can tap on view details. You can identify the app that's taking a lot of power and you can put it to sleep or just disable it. Then you can also disable background activity for other heavy apps. Turn off unnecessary features like Bluetooth, GPS, mobile data, or autosync when they are not in use. You can also try to enable auto brightness. Long press on your brightness slider, find this adaptive brightness, make sure it's enabled, and you should be good to go. These steps usually fix the post-update battery issues. You can try them and comment which one worked for you. If this was helpful, hit the like button as well, and I'll catch you in the next one.